Hello, David here, and the project for today is repairing a loose wall anchor. See right there how that comes out. First of all, I'm going to loosen this side because I determined that this side's still tight. So I want to be able to pivot this out. See what we have here. It's going to hold the anchor while I turn the screw out. Yeah, that anchor on the right side's fine. Got a replacement anchor. This is what I like to use. I like to use these Easy Anchor drywall anchors. They're not a sponsor. They work great. Stock number 25210, and it can hold up to 75 pounds. If you're ever doing research on wall anchors, they're all rated for the weights they can hold. So depending on what you want to hang, you can buy your drywall anchors by going from the weight rating. I like using these because they're just so darn efficient. So if you look at that, look how large the screw threads are on that. So it's just a matter of either drilling a hole or using the existing hole. And it's got a Phillips end on it, so you could screw it in. Don't torque it too tight. You'll strip out the hole and you'll have to get a larger anchor. I'm going to see if the existing screw will fit in there. Gotta watch out for this cord. I had to cut out a inset behind the knife holder, so the cord for this under cabinet light could go under it and not over it. Just tighten it till it snugs down. Let me tighten the right side. Once again, I'll make sure that this is snug. Make sure this cord isn't pinched. Yep, that's tight. That's snug. On these old anchors, don't throw them away. Save them in a jar or something, because you'll have another project you can use them on. And unless they split in two, you could throw them away, but it's certainly usable to hang a picture or something with a smaller hole. Clean up any dust you created. Let's put the knives back. Well, that wasn't a knife, as you know. That was a can opener. And that's it. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to help out my algorithms by hitting like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.